ShopRite, truck in the left lane. No, 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 you can't be there.
Find out, it's a free tool, you all. Find out what your net worth is and where you stand. Now, some of you might say, well, I don't want to go look because I'm not a...
Know your track record. Just take a look. You love a head case. Just take a look around. No, the amount of guys that you said, this guy's gonna fucking blah blah blah, that ended up blowing up a fucking locker room. We gotta call. There's gotta be a name for that.
Cadillac. You can't
just take a
plan
look
for
around.
shit.
No amount of crystal balls, fortune cookies.
Fire and tragically 41 MTA colleagues who have been throughout this entire pandemic acting heroically.
But right now, Taylor joins us in Springfield, Missouri. Taylor, you're on the Ken
Brad,
Coleman Show.
You ran.
Hey Ken, thanks for
On that on-ramp.
Sure, Huck.
You had to go off-road for that U-turn. That's funny. Well, it's not really funny, but... Yikes.
The custom is rarely practiced outside the Haredi or ultra-Orthodox community.
Yeah, I'm going to move the camera over. And oh look, tow truck's about to go through the bullnose. Let's watch him do the deed.
I also going to be speeding up this footage because it's taking a while.
You didn't stop, you rolled it, roll it, roll it, roll.
Did you, like, was it gay porn, like finding gay porn? You're like, that's what I like. Pretty much. Really? Yeah.
Is this guy like letting everyone...
Gay porn is thought of very differently than straight porn. Because, like, straight porn, here's the rub in the straight community. You look at straight porn, you're like, especially someone like me who has daughters, you go, somebody probably did something
Go!
to those girls when they were young.
What's up with people
Like,
just
that's
letting
like
everyone
9 out of
go?
10 times.
Yeah. Oh, seriously? Come on, do something wrong. He's tailgating a fuck out of that white van. Come on, get on camera, please. Do something. Urge to the left now. I know you're gonna do it. I saw you do it behind me. Come on, come on. Oh, that blue car's in your way, but as soon as he passes you, you're gonna merge over there. I know it. Come on, do it. Come on, motherfucker, do it. There he goes, yes! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Yeah, just keep walking. Keep walking.
For Houston on the road in Utah where they won 9 straight at home. Terrible loss for Utah. But last night was such a weird night in the NBA, Tony. I don't know what to make of any of it. Both police.
That may have been a red light run up there. No, don't go into oncoming traffic.
Shit. Dear baby. baby back bitch burr. Yeah, I like that one. On January 27th, Monday Morning Podcast, you said that you don't think there is anything more boring than taking a bubble bath.
Wait. Really? But I'm Streans.
Have an established definition in case law. So there's a concrete, independent
someone's
body
distracted.
of law that is
Well, yeah, someone screwed that up.
Immigrants, you know, it's about immigrants normalizing in America.
Red Light Runner, Subaru.
It's like, that's a long movie.
Yeah.
You just settle in for that movie.
Right.
Nope.
Tried to eat them after eating apples for all these years. It tasted weird to me. But my daughter has a book because she's almost potty trained.
I was a shock, right? That surprised me. I didn't see that coming. You guys probably did, but I didn't.
I thought he was getting pulled over. I guess not.
To be honest with you, I think she anticipated that you would not be comfortable with it by the way she did it. Just kind of casually went from like, yeah,
come on, come on.
You know, I don't know.
There you go.
Yeah, you know, I think I'm just gonna kind of fucking yank it out to that. Yeah. You guys need to have
You
talk
gotta
about
ease
that
into it.
Because what does that mean? Is it starting to...
That's straight from a left turn lane. Well, it's the wrong side of the road, dude.
And this is as much as I've been able to pay attention. All right? I think all the fat people in Houston are probably very excited that their team has an 18th
Oh my
game of the
gosh.
year, giving them an excuse to go out and turn on the smoker once again.
Wow.
You don't have to do. How about sticking a fucking tablet into a waterproof case that you don't give a fuck about?
They just run right straight through?
All about win, 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 win.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, you are a very honorable person.
Mm-hmm.
You would never actually cheat. However, you create an environment that is so
I don't know.
Everybody wanna ball, holla at the ball at the mall, if you go watch the ball. I